back with another video. And just before I begin this video, I'm sure you must have guessed from the title that this one is a shopping haul video. But trust me, this is a huge shopping haul video. All the products that I picked up, I got it from Amazon, and I think I have given Amazon quite a lot of business. Yeah, and I've really spent a lot of money, but I think it's Christmas time, and since it's around the corner, I thought a little splurging was good. Yeah, but a little thing, this is not a sponsored video, trust me. My hands were feeling really itchy and I've gone all out. And in about 7 days, I have shopped from Amazon 10 times. So you can just imagine how much I've shopped. So yeah, I think I'm just going to dig into and show you guys all the products that I picked up from Amazon.in. And I know this is going to be a really long video, so please be patient, but I'm definitely certain that you're really going to enjoy the things that I picked up. So let's get started. Okay, one of the coolest things that I picked up from Amazon this time was my iPad mini. Oh, I am so excited to own this beauty. It looks gorgeous. I love it. I was looking at it since a while, but then I ended up picking my iPhone, so I thought I'm going to pick the iPad sometime later, but then I just thought it's never too late and I picked it up. And along with the iPad, I also bought this really cute cover which says Happy Scrapping. The iPad was priced at 28,000 rupees. There was some sale going on, so I got a little lucky. While the cover that I picked up was for 1,000 rupees, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, yet another expensive buy. I think everything that I've spent on is a lot because I went all out this time. But nevertheless, I'm not regretting, no complaints at all. This is the Oriflame Skin Pro Cleansing System. I have been eyeing on this since a really long time. And this one is priced at 3,000 rupees. I absolutely love it. I have seen a lot of YouTubers use it, talk about it, and it's been doing, it's actually working wonders for a lot of people. So I thought that even I should give this one a shot, and never too late. So got this one too. Next I picked up was these two eyeshadow palettes. This one is by L'Oreal Paris La Palette Nude. This is their newly launched eyeshadow palette in the shade Rosé, and I'm just going to open this and show you guys what beautiful colors it has. I really don't know if you guys can see it, but the colors here are amazing. Don't worry, I will post a picture of this and will also hopefully do a tutorial using these products. This palette was priced at rupees 1,099 or something. I really can't see the price, but I shall mention it in the description box below. Other than that, I picked up this product, which is the Maybelline New York The Nudes Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my god, this one has been out of stock in almost all the beauty stores in Bombay since I think 1.5 to 2 months roughly right now. This is priced at 899 rupees, and I really wanted to try this out. I do have a Bobbi Brown Nudes palette, but that's almost getting over, and this one has actually more shades than the Bobbi Brown one, so I thought that I need to get it, and thanks to Amazon, I got it. Next, I picked up, I think, every makeup lover's dream makeup brushes. Real Techniques makeup brushes. I have 2 sets of makeup brushes right now from Real Techniques. This one is the Real Techniques Core Collection, which is priced at 1,900 rupees. Whereas the other one that I have in my hand is the Beginner's Set, which was for about 2,699. I think it's a total steal and I had to get these. So I got it. Okay, next, I got my hands on the Body Shop Virgin Mojito Body Scrub. I have been actually wanting to get this since a while now, but I have been very lazy of late. And if you guys follow me on Snapchat, well, if you don't, then my ID is Heysha18. You guys will be knowing that I'm really enjoying December. December is like my favorite month other than May because I was born in May. I love the party mood, I love the season, and this is the year I met Vipul, so it's even more special. Not the year, but definitely the month, I'm sorry. But yeah, so December means a lot of shopping, fun, laziness, eating and all of that. And yeah, since I was so lazy, I did not want to walk up to the body shop, which is precisely 2 minutes away from my house. So I thought I'll order it online and I got it. I love the smell of this one. Oh god, this actually smells like virgin mojito. And each time I have this in my hand, I got to smell it. It smells really good. I can actually drink it up. And trust me, just because I want to do this haul, I've not opened any of these products. I've actually shopped, I think, over a span of a week, I think 7 days odd, and I received these products between 3 to 4 days ago, and I've kept it. The last one has come in today. And I did end up buying 2 more things as well right today in the morning. But since that's going to take time, I really couldn't wait, and I thought I'm just going to do this video. So yeah, this is priced at 1300, 1295. I'm sorry, yeah, almost 1300 rupees. Next, I got my hands on a face wash. This is the Himalaya Herbals Kesar face wash. I have shown you guys my morning skincare routine, and this is the face wash that I use in the morning. I think it's great because it has kesar, and the more natural ingredients you use on your skin, the better it is. And this was not too expensive. This is, I think, about 110 rupees. I love the smell. I like the product. I did start using this though, and I have done a snap story on my morning routine as well. So yeah. Next, I picked up was another product that I use during the day, which is the Clean and Clear Morning Energy Skin Brightening Facial Scrub. I absolutely love this scrub. I've also done an entire blog post on this scrub. Yes, I also have a blog, so make sure that you go on www.thestylecompany.in and check it out. And do let me know how you find my blog, because I love interacting with you guys and reading your comments and feedback. This was priced at 465 rupees and I had to get it. It's my third purchase, just by the way. Another thing I got myself was the Johnson's Face Care Daily Essentials Cleanser. This is the first time that I've got a product from the Johnson's Face Care range. This is actually not available in India. I mean, you might find at some places here and there, but I got this one on Amazon for 360 rupees roughly. I don't really remember the price, but I believe it was around that much. I think cleansers are very important in the morning, you know, when you wake up to sort of just rejuvenate yourself. And I use this one. It's really mild, and since I have extremely sensitive skin, it works well. Okay, yet another thing are these. Oh my god, this is actually falling. So if you're wondering what this exactly is, this is a very super flexible rod that you can use to curl your hair. Now, I absolutely love curling my hair, and I do realize the importance of hair care, and that's the reason I don't want my hair to undergo the damage of too much of heat and all of that. So I just thought I should give this one a shot. They really work, because I did visit a parlor recently and they did that to my hair at that salon. So using this and not using any heated hair tongs or anything like that. And I got the natural wavy look that I was looking for, so I thought I should get this one for myself as well. This is priced at 120 rupees. I think they're really cool, yeah. They're more like straws. Okay. Nevertheless, essentials, time for some essentials. Cotton pads, very important to remove your makeup, your eye makeup, to put some toner on your face in the morning, in the night. Had to get these, priced at 150 rupees. I mean, there's no specific reason why I like these square cottons. I think they're just easy to use. That's the reason I have them. You can also use medicated cotton that you get at a chemist. So I was lazy and I thought Amazon could come to rescue, so that's why. Then I got myself a mason jar. I absolutely love mason jars. I also have one right here in pink color, and I had to get this one as well. I can't really decipher if this is a green or if this is a yellow. I'm quite confused because the straw looks like yellow, but the color I gave this mason jar it is the Mountain Dew color wala mason jar. I love mason jars. I love it. So I had to get it. This is priced at 150 rupees. Okay. Next, I got myself the Savannah Colors Mineral Blush, which is priced at 295 rupees. It's just a blush, a highlighter, contour set. and I was running out of my MAC one, and I saw a couple of people using this one, so I thought I should give this a shot, and I got it. No specific reason yet again. Just told you, itchy palms. Okay, another thing that I got myself was the Maybelline concealer. This is priced at 540 rupees. There's a discount. It's actually priced at 600 rupees, but I got it for 540 rupees. This one is the shade Honey Mel. This is my fifth purchase. I have hereditary dark circles, and I keep saying that in almost all my videos, and it's very important to conceal them. So this one works well, and yeah, I had to get this too. Another thing I picked up was the Miss Claire Born to Glow Illuminator Makeup Base. I think it's very important that your face doesn't look one-dimensional when you're doing your makeup, and you have to give special importance to contouring, highlighting, and strobing. If these words are Greek to you, please go Google it up. You'll understand why I'm emphasizing so much. Another thing that I started loving and enjoying doing while I'm doing my makeup is giving special attention to my eyebrows. I had to get my eyebrow game going on, especially when I looked at so many people having such well-defined eyebrows. Most of the times I thought that they were, like it was God gifted, but then I realized there was also a little bit makeup into it. So yeah, and I finally, got my hands on a really nice eyebrow palette. I will do a review on that in probably my next video or on a blog. I shall let you know. So yeah, coming back, this was priced at 350 rupees. Okay, a couple more things before this video comes to an end. I got myself these Miss Claire lip creme. They make a great dupe for the NYX lip creme, and I haven't opened these yet, but even the one that I'm wearing right now is by Miss Claire, and I absolutely love this shade. I don't remember which one it is though, but in case you guys want to know, please do comment below and I shall get back to you on this shade as well. These are priced at 150 rupees each, and the shades I have here is, this one is like a really hot red, very deep red, which is a number 10, and the other one here is a 17A, which is more like a nudish brown shade. Another thing I picked up was this Maybelline's newly launched lip balm. No, I'm not endorsing. I just realized they have a lot of Maybelline products. This is the Candy Wow Raspberry flavored lip balm. It's really like bigger than the normal size. I think the older ones used to be this small, and this is almost double of it. They smell really nice because one of my friends was using it, and I did get a chance to try it on, and I knew it right there that I had to get this. I really don't remember the exact price of this considering the amount of things that I have shopped, but I do know for a matter of fact this was roughly between 250 rupees to 300 rupees, so not that expensive, but a great pick. Okay, I just have three more things in front of me, so I'm just going to quickly show you. This is another purchase by Miss Claire. It is Diamond Shine Powder. It's actually an eyeshadow powder, and I have seen Kaushal YouTube channel Kaushal Beauty, and she created a beautiful look where she had used some eyeshadow glitter powder, and since the wedding season and the festive season is just around the corner, I thought I should give it a try. I'm really messy with eye makeup, but I almost take about an hour to do that, and coming from beauty blogger, I understand it's a little difficult, but trust me when I say this, it's a pain, it's a task when I do my eye makeup. So yeah, I got this one, and then I was just getting a little experimental. Is there a word called experimental? I was just experimenting, just to keep it simple. So I got myself these glitter eyeliners that I saw again Kaushal don in one of her videos, and I thought that I should get it too. I have absolutely no clue how I'm going to look while I'm going to do all of this because I'm not used to so much glitter on my face. But I think, as I always say, that experimenting is fun and you should give it a shot someday or the other. So I thought I'll try creating some looks. Finally, last but not the least, I got something that I really wanted to read. Please don't laugh. This book is by Shilpa Shetty Kundra. It's called The Great Indian Diet. Yes, I am into losing weight. I don't know if I'm into losing weight or is it just that I'm overcautious when it comes to weight. Because for the longest, I weighed about 42 kgs. Only until recently that the highest I touched was 62 kgs. And thankfully, I managed to cut all of that down to 55, but I still somewhere down the line think that I need to reduce more. And other than that, it's important that you eat healthy, you eat right, and some motivation is always great. This book is for about 210 rupees, and the other two products, I think the glitter was for about 150 rupees, and the eyeliner was also about that much. I don't really remember, but I shall try remembering and putting the price in the description box below. Well, this is it for now. This book I just received yesterday, so I haven't really read much, probably just the first chapter. And if I do get some inspiration out of it, I will definitely let you guys know. So yeah, that's it. I did shop a lot, and now that I'm actually looking at the things, I'm actually thinking, what was I thinking when I was shopping? But nevertheless, Merry Christmas to all you people way in advance. If you guys are also indulging into shopping just the way I am, please don't feel bad about it. It's Christmas time, it's alright to shop, it's okay to spend. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please do give this video a thumbs up. Come back for lots more. You can always stay connected with me on Snapchat. So go ahead and add me at Heysha18 because I also do very quick, small snap stories on my makeup and beauty stash most of the times. And you can also talk to me on Twitter. You can comment below. You can email me all your problems and I will make it a point to get back to all of you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye!